Hey guys, today I'm making a review. This is the review about my Ducky Zero, a mechanical keyboard. I got this at a pawn shop for $30, and I like it. I use it to play video games, like, Minecraft and, Apex Legends and, Fortnite. You might also type on this. It's pretty good. I can't take off the caps, but, they're Cherry MX Blues, and, yeah, I like them. This is a good keyboard to, get. It's good. It's made by Ducky. You can usually get it for $100 brand new, but I got it for $30 used. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time.